Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a Revolut account under 18. So just head over to Google and search for Revolut account under 18 and then click on the first link, which will look something like this. And we're going to click on get started. As you can see, it says you need to download the app. So once you download the app, the process to do it is by basically asking your parents if they have a Revolut account. They can create an under 18 account for you, and the way you can do that is letting them know how to do it, and that is in the settings, and the app is Revolut 18 app, and the minimum age is there is a minimum age, so you need to check if you apply for it. Or another way is by letting your parents know to approve your account, because you do need parents approval, and this is how to do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.